Azure Storage is a cloud service from Microsoft that stores your data safely and within easy access. It is highly dependable, can scale with whatever you require, and is cheaper than having to store it in-house. Why storage do we need? This is an example of our website that processes images. We have website servers and backend servers to assist in sharing the load, the website servers and the backend servers. Storage and database file systems are easier to work with and do less work on the computer. Storage accounts. To utilize Azure Storage, you must first establish a storage account. This is your own cloud storage where you can have up to 500 terabytes of storage. General purpose storage account. This service enables you to use multiple storage services in a single place. 4 principal Azure storage types. 1. Tables. Azure tables store a lot of structured data that is clean and organized in order to be easily found and utilized. 2. Blobs. Blob storage stores unstructured data in the form of images, videos, or documents. 3. Queues. Queues store messages which various segments of a program or different users can send and read. 4. Storing files. This section didn't appear in your text, but you can insert that file. Storage is a cloud shared folder that can be accessed by various users or programs simultaneously. 5. File storage. File storage in Azure is similar to a shared folder that many can access simultaneously. You store files and folders within a master shared folder. Replication and high availability. Azure keeps your files accessible to you 24/7. It achieves this by duplicating your data in numerous locations. That is replication. There are 4 types of replication. 1. Locally redundant storage, LRS, replicates your data across 3 separate data centers. 2. Zone redundant storage, ZRS. P. Copies your data to redundant data centers in 1 or 2 nearby locations. This keeps your data secure even if one of the data centers is experiencing a problem. 3. Geo-Redundant storage, GRS, it replicates your information to a distant data center. In case of a problem at the main site, your information will be safe at the secondary site. 4. Read Access Geo-Redundant storage, RA-GRS, similar to GRS, but you can also use your data from the backup site if needed. Replication and high availability. Azure keeps your files accessible to you 24/7. It achieves this by duplicating your data in numerous locations. That is replication. There are 4 types of replication. 1. Locally redundant storage, LRS, replicates your data across 3 separate data centers. 2. Zone redundant storage, ZRS, copies your data to redundant data centers in 1 or 2 nearby locations. This keeps your data secure even if one of the data centers is experiencing a problem. Conclusion. Azure Storage offers secure and adaptable ways to store your data in the cloud. With options such as Blob and file storage, you can choose what will work best for you and your finances. Replication ensures your data is recoverable and secure at all times, wherever you're based.